Hey guys, how's it going? Gorgeous Saturday afternoon. We're out in our latest flip project in Round Rock. We just finished an open house, but I've got to show you the before and the after. This is the after, 100% complete, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1977 year built, 1777 square feet. Guys, this was a bear of a project, but we've got it done. It's on market, $319, and look at that. That is the finished product right there. Tile flooring, subway tile backsplash, custom cabinets on the kitchen. Guys, we love what we do. No detail is spared. We kept the original character of the house. We refinished the beams on top, refinished the ceiling. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let me show you what was done. So all new flooring. You've got that wood tile, nice gray color, very contemporary. We went carpet in the bedrooms, new windows, new light fixtures, ceiling fans, full-on texture paint. Bedrooms 3 and 4. Fully tiled granite, custom cabinets in the baths. This is what we do, guys. This is what we like to bring on market. Brand new HVAC unit, brand new water heater, 1/3 of an acre, full finish out of the flooring, new garage doors, new garage door openers. 1/3 of an acre with no HOA, very appealing to someone that might have some larger carriages or trailers. Look at that yard. Full finish out on the fence. Full finish out on the back room. We insulated the back room, textured it, came back in, added some electrical, so now it's a fully functional room with some added square footage. It gives you about 300 additional square feet here. Look at that. Guys, we love what we do. We bring it to you. Guys, if this is the type of stuff you want to get into, if this is the type of flip business that you want to do, call me. I want to be your real estate agent. Andy Patlan, 15 years in the business, 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.